Please give them a huge round of applause. So now, here is a school from Nepal, Swapna Vatika School, which is today connected with us, which is a very precious moment for us. So the principal of Swapna Vatika School is here.
Okay. So मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि हम लोग जो है नेपाल के एक स्कूल से कनेक्ट करने जा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोगों को अप्रूवल मिल चुका है। ब्रिटिश काउंसिल हमारी एक्टिविटी प्लान जो है वो अप्रूव हो चुका है ब्रिटिश काउंसिल की। केवल राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर नहीं, अंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तर पर रावत पब्लिक स्कूल काम कर रहा है और हम कनेक्ट होने जा रहे हैं। हमारे लिए एक प्राउडफुल मूवमेंट है नेपाल के एक स्कूल से, जहां पे our school's name is Swapna Vatika. Say everyone hi. हमारे सामने है नेपाल के स्वप्न वाटिका स्कूल एंड मैम क्या आप हमें सुन पा रहे हैं? Can you able to hear me, ma'am? Let's विजय लाइट ऑन करेंगे। विजय लाइट्स।
If you want to watch this program, you can go on Rawat's YouTube channel. This program is live.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am is Dila Shakia, ma'am from the Nepal, and we are connected with the Nepal. And here, are you able, ma'am? Can you hear me? Dila Shakia, ma'am from Nepal, Swapna Vatika School.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yeah, everyone say namaste, ma'am.
Good, ma'am.
Ma'am, we hope that you are enjoying the
I'm not
program.
being able to hear you clearly. So there is a lot of noises is coming, so I'm not hearing you clearly.
Now, ma'am, am I audible to you? Hello? Yes, ma'am.
Hello, yes, ma'am.
Now am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you, but your voice is coming very low.
Ma'am, we welcome you all in the program of Rawat Public School, Pratapnagar. And here we are having our chairman sir, director sir. We want to interact you with them also. For the front seat, you can see sir. Please wave kariye hand ko, ma'am ko. Sir, lights on kare Vijay. Vijay, front light on karo. Light on karo. Yes, ma'am. Sir, today sir is there.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this invitation. I'm not hearing you very clearly.
Okay, ma'am. Now we are going to present the program that of rates Nepal, Russia, and India. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Namaste, sir. Namaste.
Ma'am, people, those who are sitting in front of it, they are our respected chairman, sir, Mr. B.S. Rawatji. Under the guidance of we are working, B.S. Rawatji is waving you. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Enjoy the program, ma'am.
So now, do you know we have a very surprising dance performance for you? Yes, it's a fusion dance performance representing the cultural exchange between India, Nepal and Russia. The famous dance form of India is Bhangra, Nepal Maruni, Russia Kalinga dance. So please be ready and hold your seats because there is a very unique fusion dance performance between you all. So here the students are getting ready to present a fusion dance between you, which will show the cultural exchange between India, Nepal and Russia. So please give them a huge round of applause and welcome them on the stage.
So as I told you that not we are growing in India, we are growing internationally. हम अंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तर पर ग्रो कर रहे हैं। सो आपके सामने कुछ इंटरचेंजेस ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स में आपके सामने रावत पब्लिक स्कूल के खूबसूरत होना टैलेंटेड स्टूडेंट्स लेके आ रहे हैं आपके सामने एक जैज परफॉर्मेंस। तो मैं चाहूंगी कि जोरदार तालियां और इस खूबसूरत मौके पर जब हम मना रहे 79th इंटरनेशनल इंडिपेंडेंस डे और साथ में हम मना रहे हैं कृष्ण महोत्सव।
So please give them a huge round of applause. Please cheer up for them because they are here to represent a fusion dance performance.
एक संस्कृति का दूसरी संस्कृति के साथ मिलन और ये फ्यूजन डांस रावत पब्लिक स्कूल के टैलेंटेड होनहार स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा। सो वी आर वेटिंग, वी आर ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड विद नेपाल। सो जब एक देश की संस्कृति दूसरे देश की संस्कृति के साथ मेल खाती है तो वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, जो कि आज हमारे इंडिपेंडेंस डे के प्रोग्राम का नाम है वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। ये पूरी पृथ्वी हमारा घर है।
ਦਿਲਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਜਜ਼ਬਾ
Let them analyze performance. Please give them a huge round of applause.
ਮੁਖਬਰ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਜਗ ਪ੍ਰਸਿੱਧ ਲੋਕ ਨਾਚ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ
A big cheers for them.
सो आपने देखा खूबसूरत फ्यूजन इंडियन एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर डिफरेंट कंट्रीज का रशियन डांस के साथ आपने देखा नेपाली डांस along with पंजाबी भांगड़ा. So I hope that you all are enjoying.
Sir,
Hello, ma'am. Are you audible? We just want to convey, hope you like the program. Fine. Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Now I'm hearing you.
Okay, ma'am. Have you liked the program? How was the program, ma'am? We want to know your feedback.
Also, the performance is very lovely, ma'am. The way our students have performed, so that's really a great job. So that's really a wonderful program, and we all have enjoyed, and we all have really appreciated, and we will try our best.
We really appreciate your coordination,
We will
ma'am.
try our best, even to perform with that enthusiasm.
Thank you, ma'am, and we really appreciate your cooperation. Wonderfully, your school is cooperating with us, and I wish all the students with all the very best for the performance which we are going to see as an audience. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much. To see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Still, we want you to see the whole program, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello.
सो एक बार जोरदार तालियां इस अचीवमेंट के लिए, इस खूबसूरत कनेक्शन के लिए, इस लाइव परफॉर्मेंस जिसमें चल रहा था, नेपाल कंट्री हमारे साथ लाइव था और ऐसे ही खूबसूरत परफॉर्मेंसेस चलती रहेंगी।
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजू एक कातिल में है। So with these lines, let's awake the patriotism in our hearts. So students from class 6 to 12 are here to present a soulful patriotic song. So welcome them by giving a huge round of applause. So till the students are getting ready for the performance, we have a very interesting riddle and quiz for you. If you know the answer, Abba will come to you and you have to answer the questions and the pen will be gifted to you. So now, the first question for you is, मैं रानी थी झांसी की, तलवार थी हाथ की, घोड़े पर मैं लड़ती थी, आजादी के लिए मैंने जान दे दी थी. Which freedom fighter is she?
मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि क्वेश्चंस के आंसर लेने के लिए दीदी आपके बीच में, प्लीज टेक योर सीट, ओनली रेज योर हैंड. Don't come here, there is a setup of live connection, so please take your seat everyone, students.
So,
Rani Lakshmi Bai.
so here the students are here to present a patriotic song in front of you all. So you all are requested to please motivate them by giving a huge round of applause. Please give them a huge round of applause. देखो बच्चों झंडा प्यारा, तीनों रंगों का मेल है सारा, सदा रहे यह झंडा ऊंचा, सदा करो तुम इसका मान, कभी न करना इसका अपमान, झंडा ही है देश की शान, बना रहे इसका हमेशा महान. So with these beautiful lines, students are here to represent a patriotic song in front of you all. So you all are requested to give them a huge round of applause. So please show some energy, students. Give them a huge round of applause. One day, भारत माता की, भारत माता की.
Hello.
So now get ready for the peaceful and soulful patriotic song represented by these students.